Roof styles. So we're going to go through the different styles. Some of the names might be different for different areas, different regions, different countries. I actually had an interesting conversation online the other week with someone from America about the names that they call their roofs, and they're a little bit different to ours. So this is what we teach in Australia, in New South Wales especially, and it may vary for different regions, but we'll just go through them. So you can see the first one here. This is what we call a mono slope or a skiing roof. So just basically a flat sloped roof. Sometimes it's also called a lean-to, especially if it's off the side of an existing building. Okay, so there's a monoslope or a skiing roof. And some other variations on that. So basically this is what they call a troughed roof or a butterfly. But basically it's two monosloped roofs meeting in the middle with a box gutter down the centre. Okay, very fashionable nowadays. Seem to be lots of architects designing this style of roof nowadays. Butterfly. Staying with the flat type roofs, this is what they call a sawtooth.